how to view payment history in your PNC account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check your past payments like bill pay, transfers, card or check activity in your PNC account, well here is how to find your payment history on the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC mobile app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here from the account page, you can simply select the account you made payments from like checking or bill pay, and then there you just have to tap on payment history, activity or similar from the account menu. And once you do that, you just have to scroll to review all posted payments or transfers, including bill pay, card swipes, and account to account transfers. And if you use PNC Mobile Accept for business payments, there you just have to go to Payment Center and then tap See All to access transaction history for the last 180 days. And there you'll see transaction status, card type, amount, and the option to refund, void, or share receipts if eligible. And that's it. That's how you can view your full payment history anytime via the PNC mobile app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.